Today I'm going to show you how to add an additional language on Glassdoor. So you'll be in your profile over here on Glassdoor. On the right hand side, you can get to this page by clicking on this profile picture and then clicking on any one of these sections. It'll take you to this page where you can choose between resume, experience, job preferences, and job activity. We want to look for resume and experience, which of course you can navigate directly to on this drop down menu. Here you want to come down here and you will see skills and languages. Click on add in your language. So let's say Spanish, which I absolutely cannot speak. Click on add though, and then click on save, and this will be a language that is saved to your Glassdoor profile. Now, when you are looking through your job feed, before you actually search for a job, you will have jobs that contain the need to speak the language Spanish.